This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is August 8th, 2018. I got a call from this guy yesterday. He had no AC, and I wasn't able to get over there yesterday. He calls me again this morning. I was going to call him this morning first thing. He says, now it's leaking through the ceiling. Well, I said, did you shut it off yesterday? No, I guess he probably had it running all day yesterday, so might have been, might be low in refrigerant. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. I tell people, usually, tell them to shut it off. The AC is not working, you shut it off. No, they keep it running. So, you could do damage to it. There's certain things that, you could ruin. You leave it running. But anyway, tried to get over there yesterday, but he wanted me to go between 1 and 2 or a certain time frame, and I was busy at that time, so. Oh well, I'm on my way there now and see if we can fix it, get it going for the guy. It could be anything. I mean, it could be, cracked pan, block line, low on charge. We'll see. I think he said it hasn't been running this morning, so we'll see if we got an iceberg situation going on here.
Look around.
Wow.
What is that?
That's not good. I mean, it's gonna buckle this floor too. Yeah, that's a good size. All right, we're gonna go take a look at that. I mean,
yeah. So the compressor's right outside.
So you've been running it and it hasn't been cooling, and you've been leaving it on.
It's cooling some.
It's cooling some.
And it's been so, muggy.
All right, let's go take a look.
I leave it set at about 70 thing, and they put in that ultraviolet thing. I wonder if they're the ones that unplugged it.
Yeah, you shouldn't unplug that.
Yeah,
whatever.
I wondered about that.
That's backed up, so that's where the water's coming from. So what we're gonna have to do is we'll have to blow this out. And have you changed this filter?
I believe the guys did last year.
We better check that.
And that's when they unplugged it properly.
Oh yeah, they're real champions. Those guys.
It's all wet. You got any more of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that one's
what's
soaked.
The number on it? That's
18 by 20 by 1. And we'll have to do something about trying to clear this drain. Do you know where this goes outside? I could put a vacuum on it.
I think it may be outside near that compressor.
All right, why don't we check that?
It's like a 1-inch pipe sticking straight down.
Yeah, let's check that out, because I could pull a vacuum from outside and clear this from outside.
Okay. See, I don't know anything about this stuff. I've never had.
It's all wet up here too. Wow.
Yeah, it's all condensation and dripping.
Oh, good. Did an ultraviolet thing, and he left these holes wide open. See these holes?
Oh yeah.
You can't have that wide open like that.
Okay.
These guys are real rocket scientists.
That's it. They sell me those stupid things, and I said, "Oh, okay, that's
Yeah, nothing.
a good idea."
Yeah, real good idea. Well, we got all kinds of leaks.
Oh man.
All right, give me the filter, and we'll see what's going on with it. Unbelievable. Let's see if the pans are on it. The pan don't look too bad. Don't look like it's iced up. Thing's probably loaded with water. Yeah, just disconnect the wire, that's all. That's the way to do it. Put the wire back in there, so this thing should work now. Should have shut the unit off. See if we can get some of this water out of here. I got a little container. Bucket. particular side I can't find out where it goes, so probably gonna disconnect it there. Maybe disconnect it down there and blow it out with my little gallo gun. She's a leaker. Might just be that it's block line. Well, we'll get it. I mean, don't worry. We'll get it fixed for you. So it's not draining, obviously. It's backing up. So if this would have been connected, it would have shut the unit off. It would have stopped you from flooding.
Right.
You know?
Okay. Yeah, I never knew there was this type of thing.
Let's see if we could give it the old blasteroo here. If I could blow right through it, maybe I could blow right through it. I don't know. Might make a flippin' mess here. Let's see. Not easy. Not easy being cheesy. There it goes.
Yeah.
Give it the old... It's clear now.
This end of the house was the original 1920s house, so they shoehorned this thing into this space here
Right.
with no room to work on it. And
Terrible, huh?
are those different trunks supposed to be insulated or not?
Well, usually the supply is supposed to be insulated if it's not in a cooled space, which this isn't.
Yeah.
That's why it's sweating. Unless it's lined on the inside.
They all go
It
up
could be lined on the inside.
Okay.
You know, it might be that it's low on Freon. You don't forget now, you had all this dampness in here. So
Yeah.
that's probably why it's damp upstairs there. Let's get it up and running. We'll check the charge, right? And then we'll
Okay.
take one step at a time here.
Okay.
It's pretty bad when you're going to take this thing out to get the filter in.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, that's what they call a shit show.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, this was part of Sears Roebuck.
Where's
No.
where's that filter? There it goes.
Clean of all the vents.
Right.
And they said, oh, by the way, sir, hey, don't you want to be germ-free? Here, you got these lights here. I think it goes the other way, but of course it doesn't fit because the frame is in the way. So that's why the other one's kind of squashed. You have to bend it to get it in.
Okay. Oh no, it goes over the lip there. We'll be alright with that. Got that. Get this trap back together. Oh yeah? Alright, we'll put them back then. I don't know why he didn't.
You know, because they did too much, and they just, trying to finish and get out. And
Yeah, that's how it is, huh?
I asked them to, take 2 days to do it, and they said, oh no, we can do it in one.
And give it the old extra douche.
Good.
It's always nice to be able to go outside and vacuum, and if we can find it, pull it out with a vacuum, but this works too, so.
Well, the crawl space is so awful. It's, cement floor. Unless you're wearing, like knee pads and heavy gloves.
It's tough on your skin here.
Oh.
Alright, so what we'll do is we'll get this thing back together, and we'll start it up. I don't know what you're going to probably have to get a hold of the insurance company on this one. As far as the damage goes, no?
Yeah, my sister was just saying, I should tell the agent.
Yeah, once we get it up and running.
Roebuck was here and screwed things up. Make their insurance pay for it.
Well, the thing is, this line was blocked.
Right.
It does happen. I don't know if that was their fault or not, but this is these electrical connections. I'm on what he took out of there. I can put some tape on there.
I thought that's what.
I could put some tape on that to block that, but that's supposed to be blocked. It's a first company unit. All right, I'll get some tape for that, and then we'll run the unit. And we'll check it. Yeah, if these holes are open like that, what's going to happen is the drain's not going to work properly.
Uh-huh.
It was blocked. It didn't need to be blown out, but you still need these holes blocked. For that drain to work properly. So, we'll be alright. We'll put this on there for now, and this will work. Okay, and we'll turn it on and we'll check the charge outside. Make sure that's okay.
You want me to turn it on?
Yeah, why don't you? A new filter, blew out condensate line and capped holes. We'll check it outside. Let's see if this thing works.
So the pan.
Oh, this might be shutting the outside unit off. We don't know. That might be just shutting the outside unit off. We'll check it.
I remember seeing the outside unit, the fan running.
All right, we're gonna go check that now.
And the pan, that's one thing I did check. The pan had some water in it, but not much.
Well, the problem was this line was blocked.
Yeah.
So instead of the humidity from the house draining out the line, it was backing up and overflowing the unit.
And doesn't the pan have a drain as well?
No, it doesn't. That's a secondary pan. That's to save your sealing.
So
supposedly.
That's supposed to catch everything.
That's supposed to, but obviously it might have a leak in it. Who knows? Well, it looks pretty clean. We'll check it. TXV, so that's perfect right there. Subcoolant's 10. Charge is fine.
Good.
Yep, that's good. Subcoolant right where it needs to be. It's got TXV. He's gonna go upstairs and he's gonna push that little lift float up, see if this thing shuts off. If not, I'll go up there and make it so it happens, so this don't happen again. Alright guys, it's shut off, so that thing does work. Just wasn't, the wires weren't hooked up on it. I don't know why. Okay, good. The homeowner went upstairs and lifted that little float up. Good. I told him last time, cut these weeds back, but